had time to actually go out and get Mum something yet, so we're going to go out, get something now.
We shall see you on the other side.
Just been in Tesco's.
Oh my god, look at all the fish.
Been in Tesco's. Should we go Card Factory?
Card Factory, yeah?
Check it.
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go? Wait. Apparently, we were told to wait. Where should we go? Yeah, which... Yeah?
Look, they're here.
There they are.
They're under the pram.
Right?
See him?
Don't panic.
Don't panic.
Mum's giving them a pound. No, you pound. Finished in Card Factory now, we Jen? Now we've got to go pound and spend the kids' pound. And then after, when we walk, as we're walking back, we'll go into WH Smith or somewhere and I'll get some cards and pound time.
Get a ball.
Because our tickets came yesterday and we're like excited. In a bizzle, Jen. Say in a bizzle.